Sanjay, you get up.
Okay.
Mani, take the plank. Try to connect there. That way. Oh, not possible. Take it in your hand. Keep it at the same place. Sanjay, Mani, try to connect this plank and pull it with the help of this plank. Yeah, you can go. You just go there and help Mani to reach it up, okay? Mani, you can go there. Start.
Touching ground. Only touching ground.
Come back to the same position. Keep it there. Connect it. Sanjay, please connect it. Just be relaxed. Connect it. Yeah. Sanjay, you please support. Mani, you can go.
Touching ground.
Mani, you please go there. Yeah, Sanjay, you catch it with that rope. Okay.
All out of bound area.
Mani, you can go there. Yeah. Don't get nervous, Sanjay.
Failing, then try some other method.
Be relaxed. Okay, connect the bully there. Directly. Connect the bully there. Yeah. Mani, you can go there. Sanjay, you just keep.
If fellow falls down, then I'll give that, declare him dead. See, you are touching the ground. Already you are dead. You have started touching twice on the thing. I'm not giving it.
Come to. No.
Go ahead, please. Please, someone carry the rope.
Sanjay, go.
Okay. Then make the rope on the white. Give him the plank. Let him check what distance is required. Check from there to here. How far is required? You check. Okay. Okay. Give him the rope. Tie him in such a way. Yes. You can go. Yes. Be stable. Relax. Take. Defuse the bomb. Sir, the bomb is defused.
Hey, yaar, still job is not complete. He has to come back, no? He has to come back and hand over the bomb to you.
Be stable. Come. Okay. Connect it from the top to here. Yes. Carry the rope with you. Be stable. Come on. Be stable. Just pass it. Come on. Yes.
Okay, Commander, you got 30 marks.
Take the plank. Place it over there. We will check. No. Place a bit also. You have to jump there because make it stable. Make your foot there. Give him the balance. Be stable. Sanjay, be stable.
Touching the... It touched.
Come back. Give him proper... Yes. Give him the proper support. You can also stand there. Yes, stand. Give him the proper... Yes. Okay, pass him the rope first. Pass him the rope. Do it relaxedly. Come on. Be stable. Don't shiver. Yes, come on. Keep it down. Check whichever distance is near. Okay?
Yeah.
Keep it down. It is not stable, I think.
No, they don't need to be stable.
See, there is a... Check whether it is possible.
No. Yeah, it is
okay, you can
correct.
go now. Go. If you find it is stable, go. Be safe. Yes, come on. Be stable. Do it relaxedly. Do it relaxedly. There is nothing to rush. Do it relaxedly. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Be stable. Yes, yes. Hold it, hold it. Yeah, come on. Do it relaxedly. Do it relaxedly.
I have to come back.
Or else you come back to there. Come back to there. I will tell you. Come back to there. To your previous position. Place the plank down. Place the plank down little bit. Okay.
Is it touching the ground or not?
No, it is not touching. Can you place it in the down? I mean that is a holder is there. Try to make it in the holder. Try to make it. No, I'm not. Yes,
That holder.
above.
Yeah.
Ah, yes. Now
No, it is little bit risky.
Okay.
You keep it.
Keep it as it is. Okay, good. Okay. Make it. Yes. Okay. Start moving. Be relaxed. It is not touching. Go. Be relaxed. Okay. Be relaxed. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Good. Take the plank. Take the plank. Carry.
Give the rope. Give me the plank.
Give him the plank first. Yes. Hey,
No, I have to come.
keep it there, man. Yes.
Wait.
Yes, come on.
Wait.
Come. Yes. Come on. Yeah. So.
Three methods at least. Oh, stand. North side உள்ள போன ஒரு காலை மேலே வை. அட கல் மேலே கால் வச்சு மேலே ஒன்று வைடா. இப்போ போ உட்காந்து பண்ணு உள்ளத.
Length is not there.
Yes, that's all.
Okay.
Now take my leg.
Okay.
புரியுதா இப்போ டெக்னிக்கு?
Yes, sir.
அவ்வளோதான். So if you do this is not a higher order of thinking. புரிஞ்சுட்டியா?